Hi, welcome to the first video of the Kiwigardener, a little experiment of gardening in the Southern Hemisphere. I'm based in New Zealand, in the temperate area of New Zealand, and so these videos really apply to anywhere in the Southern Hemisphere that's in an equivalent temperate zone. So in Chile, the area of Valdivia is similar, Tasmania in Australia, and in the South Africa, the garden route, George, is of similar temperature. So whatever I'm doing today is able to be applied in those areas. We're upside down by 6 months compared with the rest of the Northern Hemisphere. So it just makes an opportunity for a gardening video for the opposite side of the world. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm not at ease with video, but obviously over time that will come. So today there's an introduction of popping in some seeds in the early part of autumn. These are for vegetables that I grow that I like, and obviously do the same yourself. Only grow vegetables that you like. So hope you enjoy this, and there will be more produced over time. Okay, so we're going to drop some more seeds in. This time it's kohlrabi. I've already made the tray ready. Just drop one in each. And any we don't use, we can pop back in the seed packet. Make sure it stays dry. And keep it in a dry container, which we have here. I keep all of my seeds in. This goes into the house. It doesn't stay in the polytunnel because the polytunnel's too damp. Make sure I've got my pencil. Mark up my tab. Pop that in. Make sure we just cover the seed. Don't need a huge amount of soil above them. They're only tiny seeds. Give it a quick watering. And that goes on top. And that's another set ready. Okay. Just getting used to this filming idea. Next one, we'll fill the tray. You only want to be growing things that you're going to eat yourself. I like kohlrabi. I like beetroot. And I like Chinese cabbage. There's no point growing anything if you're not going to eat it yourself. I'm going to go for beetroot. Now remember, beetroot seeds are actually a cluster of seeds in their own right. The little things that you pick out, it's not a single seed, it's about 4 or 5 seeds all in one cluster. So no need to multi-sow these because they're already multi-sowing in the first place. As you can see, they look like large seeds, but they're actually not, they're clusters. So now we'll just make a little impression for them. And drop one in each hole. You can thin them out when they start to come through, or thin them out as they grow, so that you can have small beetroot, thin them out, and then the next one in the cluster, you can let that grow on to become a larger beetroot if you prefer. Right, that's them. The rest can go back for a further sowing. Fold that over. Make sure we do our little label. What we'll do, we'll come back in 2 weeks' time to see how things have gone. Some of them will have germinated and start sprouting, and others may still be waiting to come through. Okay. Pop the lid on. Now we're still getting warm temperatures, so I don't put those vents on fully closed. I leave them open. Otherwise it just gets too hot in there and too humid. We're still in early autumn at the moment. So there we are. That's 3 different varieties of seeds planted. And we'll see how they go. And more videos will follow. So thank you very much. I'm not at ease with cameras, so probably looking a bit stiff and uneasy with this. That's the reality and that's the truth. Okay, we'll do some more. So I'll make sure that my seed packs go back into the house to keep